In this video, we'll show you how to design professional schematics using Lucid's circuit diagram maker. We'll cover essential symbols and the steps to build a clean, readable circuit diagram. What is a circuit diagram? Also known as a schematic, it's a visual map of an electrical circuit. It uses symbols to represent components, focusing on logical connections rather than physical layout. When comparing schematic versus wiring versus pictorial diagrams, remember that schematics focus on logic. Wiring diagrams show physical placement, while pictorial diagrams use lifelike images for beginners. To build an accurate diagram, you need to understand the standard language of electronics. Let's look at some common circuit diagram symbols you'll use in Lucidchart. Common circuit diagram symbols include power sources like batteries, passive components like resistors and capacitors, and control elements like switches. These shapes are all available in the Lucidchart library. How to read a circuit diagram. Follow the path from the power source. Read from left to right and top to bottom to understand how the current interacts with every component. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into the design process. We'll start with some best practices for clean and readable schematic design before building one ourselves. For best practices for clean and readable schematic design, always align components to the grid. Avoid crossing lines to prevent confusion, and ensure every component has a clear label. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to draw a circuit diagram. Start by enabling the circuit shape library, then drag your power source onto the canvas to begin. Next, place your components and use the Smart Connector tool to draw wires between them. Lucidchart will automatically snap lines to component connection points for a perfect fit. Once your circuit is complete, share it with your team for real-time feedback. Lucid makes it easy to collaborate and iterate on your designs in a single workspace. Now you're ready to create your own professional schematics. Log in to Lucidchart and start building your next circuit diagram today.